Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a brand new, fresh 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. I wanted to start at the front of the boat and do a quick walkthrough. You've got great storage compartments underneath of the seats here, a removable front seat that you can turn into a walkthrough to get on and off the boat at the bow. They have optioned this boat with the new Fusion Signature Series speakers as standard for this year. And you'll notice the upholstery looks a little different. They've changed up the stitching pattern and added some accents on the seating. As well as we move over to the helm, a couple other small things for 2019, a new steering wheel design, a little bit sleeker and better looking, a bigger footprint on the dash where you've got some stainless steel bezels and the optional Simrad Go 5 touchscreen display. We also have the new upgraded Fusion head unit here with Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB capabilities, and tilt steering is standard. Both of the captain's chairs on the passenger side and the captain's both have the flip-up bolsters, so you can raise up to see over the windshield when you're pulling a tube, a wakeboard, or a ski from the water sports tower that we've also optioned on this boat. This is the elevation package with wakeboard racks, the tower, etc. As you move over here, we've got some storage with the glove box on top of the helm, great for cell phone, wallet, keys, etc. You have a fully carpeted storage compartment here, perfect for safety equipment, life jackets, or other personal items. There is a ski locker built into the floor here, and plenty of storage as we move back throughout the boat. You've got storage under every seat compartment, really utilizing the space. An insulated cooler compartment here, a dedicated removable cooler from Igloo that comes with the boat. This does have the premium audio package with subwoofer, and a unique feature to the 21 SPX that most other 21-foot boats don't have is this flip-up rear-facing backrest. And another unique feature about the Outboard is all this storage that you get in the back of the boat for wakeboards, tubes, personal stuff, etc. And of course the boat's powered by a Mercury. It's a brand new 200 horsepower 4-stroke V6. Really excited about this new motor for this year. It makes a lot more torque, it's quiet and fuel efficient. And we've put the SeaDeck non-skid all throughout the back of the boat to make it comfortable getting on and off. This has been a 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard here at MarineMax Houston. Come see us today.